Hey guys, just wanted to say thank you for your support and your likes and your shares so far. We hit some pretty impressive numbers this past week, stuff that I wasn't expecting to happen. That's pretty cool to hit that so far, so keep letting everybody know what's going on. Share this when you can, and let's make something pretty cool. So I'm downtown at Shepherdstown's farm market. It's really active today, and this is gonna be a long video. I'm gonna walk around and try to show you what's going on a bit better, and then I'm gonna head over to Dog Fest and do the same thing. So just dip out whenever and head down here because it's pretty cool. So down here we got kombucha, which is a fermented type of tea, which is pretty yummy. You gotta try it out. I think they do free samples. These guys got some greens and leeks. It's got flowers and plants.
We also have about 6 little dehydrated pork liver and a little juice, a little softer, and then these are the 3.
Good morning, how you doing? Hi, how are you? Good.
Some nice baskets. Those are cool. I haven't seen them yet.
Yeah.
Knife sharpener. Well, guys will teach you something about a knife. It's actually pretty good to know. Definitely got a lot going on down here today. Last week was nothing like this. Got live music.
When it blooms, it's that pink. It's just like glowing, vibrant pink flower. Yeah, I love it.
You can learn so much about plants down here if you hang out for a minute. This guy's got some delicious chocolate. Good looking stuff. How you guys doing?
Well, how about you?
This guy's bread looks delicious.
This has got white, yellow, blue, red. If you wanted to, like I say, you'll have some variation, but this will give you all the different ones.
Look at this stuff. Piece of cake. Alright, so I'm gonna head over to Dog Fest. Vendors are pretty separate or far apart today, so it's gonna take a minute to walk around there. Bear with me, but if you haven't made it down here, definitely check this out because these vendors, just like farmers market, will teach you a lot about plants. These guys can teach you a lot about pets, and it might save you a lot of money, it might save your pet's life, it might save you a lot of trouble. And it's free, which is pretty cool. They got water out for the dogs to play in if they get hot. It's about 70 degrees out and overcast. It's really not too bad. It's nice out. Well, these guys will hook you up with a nail trim or grooming. I didn't think they'd be doing that here. Wild Rose Soap, if you haven't seen them yet, they got a lot of cool products. And they had a really cool festival put together yesterday. Smoocha Pooch. Got more grooming.
As we do so, let us praise the Creator and be thankful for the gift of God's
Kissing booth.
and the joy that their presence brings to our lives. Let us also pray that remembering our responsibility to care for creation, we may be good stewards, tending with compassion the land and the waters and the creatures in our care. A reading from Genesis, the first chapter. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth swarms of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth."
Good morning.
Hi. Sorry for spinning around so much. I'm just trying to get everything without taking 20 minutes here. These guys got some cool treats. They're no fillers and stuff like that, which is a good thing. So Shepherdstown is really cool because there's a lot of parking. There's a lot of street parking, and there's the whole parking lot at the campus, which is filling up already and was full yesterday, but it definitely makes it a lot easier. So that is pretty much it. So I'll be out here for another minute. If you guys have any questions, let us know. And if I missed anything big, I'll go live again or we'll see what we can do. So thanks again. Thanks for all your shares and stuff. And thanks for watching. Catch you later.